is Bill, and Bale's behind the camera, Caldwood Percussion Instruments. This is episode 3 of our My Pits to Pits making a video series, and today, hanging out at Zildjian. Hi, welcome to Zildjian. Who are you here to see?
Anne-Marie.
Ah, please sign the registry. Please make it legible. That's good. Here's your pass.
Oh, thank you.
Don't touch anything. So, what's your name?
My name is Dean Fisher.
Dean, what do you do here at Zildjian?
I am the video production specialist.
What's your name?
Hey, my name's Emily Smith.
I don't believe your name's Emily Smith.
I know, right?
So, what's your name? Okay, what's your name?
I'm Emily Smith. I work in the Artist Relations Department here at Zildjian.
What's my name?
I don't know.
Awesome. What's your name?
Andrea Davenport.
And what do you do here?
I am the Human Resource Manager.
This interview is over. This is our good friend Anne-Marie, and she's going to take us to the cymbal vault.
How you doing? Let's go pick some cymbals. Pick some cymbals for the My Pits the Pits contest winners.
Oh, awesome.
Going down here. They wanted ride cymbals, right?
Yeah.
That'll work for a
We're
ride.
good. Hit me off that stick there. It's a microphone, damn it. You got it? Yeah, what are you waiting for? God, that sucked. That hurt my ears. For days and days.
I record all of our promotional videos, things you see on YouTube, basically to promote Zildjian.
Some of what I do is placing daily orders for cymbals for artists that are out on tour. If artists are in town and they come in, I help them with their visit, help them select cymbals, take them on a tour if they've never been here to see the factory. I am the sound engineer on the video, so anything on Zildjian YouTube that's been done in-house, I run sound for.
You're going to be very disappointed in this video.
It's alright.
How long does it take to manicure your mustache in the morning? And what do you do here?
Oh, I think that that's an inappropriate question.
Come on into the orchestral room.
Sweet.
There's some hand cymbals in here for these schools. Have you ever been in a Wanger booth?
It sounds...
Want to be in a Wanger booth?
Yes, I do. I always forget that you worked at a middle school and you know how to tie these.
Yeah.
Okay, now you're in the arena.
That's awesome.
This is Armin Zildjian's private collection of cymbals. There are over 10,000 cymbals in this room. Throughout his career here, he would pull aside what he thought to be the best of the best, sound-wise, and stash them. And one day, they opened up this safe, and inside were all of these cymbals, actually 2 safes, were inside all of these cymbals, so they created this special closet for them.
No one gets to play these?
No one gets to play those. I'll put you in the cathedral.
No, I might burst into flames. I saw some guy do this on the Zildjian.
You did?
On the Zildjian video.
On the video?
On the Instagram. He was like, oh shit.
You sliced your badge. Be careful, cymbals are sharp.
I'm gonna pay for that.
Buddy Rich's kit. We won't tell anybody.
You actually put sticks up here though. Why
Buddy's
do you put sticks?
DNA is on those cymbals and on these drums, so if you touch them, you'll be a better player.
I'm having Buddy Rich's baby. We have noticed that there are a few drum sets in this building. How many drum sets are in this building?
I'm gonna guess 12. No, maybe 10. I don't know. Let's say 10.
That's not as many as I was hoping you were going to say. That's really not that impressive.
There's
You want to try again?
There's like 55 drum sets around here.
All right, that's a little better.
Right now, I'm going through returns of broken cymbals from different artists on tour and writing down.
Oh, can't do a drumstick.
Yeah, I am.
Casual Friday. Does the man standing outside your office meet the company dress code?
No, no. And sometimes he lifts his little skirt up. It makes me very uncomfortable.
You just said you're HR. You can't say that.
You got to talk to the mic, dude.
This is the drummer's lounge. Everyone comes in to pick cymbals, all the artists, things that belong to Ovidus and Armin.
You wear a bowler's cap?
Yeah, that's Ovidus, dude.
That was one spiffy chap.
I was gonna jump on your groove.
Alright, I'll lay down a groove. You solo over it.
No.
No, I'm trade.
Yes.
Well, that about wraps it up for our day here at Zildjian. I want to thank everyone here. Thank Anne-Marie. We had a great time today.
Toured the headquarters, met some really cool people, played in the vaults, checked out the Wenger room, and had a drum off.
Lost.
You totally lost. Thanks to our friends from Calderwood for coming down and visiting with us today, and thanks for partnering with us on the My Pits the Pits video contest. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, guys.
Welcome to Zildjian. Who are you here to see? Why are you laughing?
It's ridiculous.
Seriously.
Why?
The glasses.
This guy's in no hurry.
Last time we were here, we got certificates of appreciation.
What are you talking about? Certificates of appreciation?
Dude,
That
that was a restraining order.
It's good in a frame.
We heard a rumor that you're the creator of a viral cat video.
That was a rumor. Who told you that?
Meow.
Did she show it to you?